See, this water fountain is clogged up. It's not draining the water. So right now we're by the Mississippi Bridge in Baton Rouge. There's my bike. So let's see if we can unclog this. As we wait in joyful hope for the coming of our Savior. Maybe I need a better plunger. Actually, I think it's working now. Yeah, I'm not sure what the black stuff is. Maybe it's just decayed algae? I guess, actually, maybe that was stuff deeper in the pipe and then it came back up. And is it draining? Let's see. I think it probably just the whole pipe clogs up with algae. It could use some help. I think it's working. It's fixed. Ha! Woohoo! Wow, that's awesome. I fixed it.